My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. It's the 2016 Suzuki Vitara. This vehicle has done just over 45,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right of that, we can see that we have lane assist. We also have Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.